Hello everyone. My name is Kalyani and I'm the Senior Academic Coordinator at Uplift Pro Academy. In today's video of mine, I will be talking to you regarding the US CPA. Everything you need to know about the CPA examination, starting from its eligibility requirement, the syllabus change, and definitely the most important question, the job opportunity after qualifying the CPA exam. But before I proceed further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and keep yourself updated with all the various informations on accounting certifications. Now, what exactly CPA is? The CPA stands for the Certified Public Accountant. It is considered to be one of the most important, or rather, if I say a gold standard certification in the fields of finance and accounting, and it is a globally acclaimed certification. CPA US is being offered by a body which is known as AICPA, that stands for American Institute of Certified Public Accountant. Now, coming regarding the eligibility, this is one of the most important question before you go ahead. Like if you're planning for CPA, it is very much important for you to understand exactly the requirement, the eligibility requirement to qualify the CPA exam and the license. Now, to be eligible for writing the CPA exam, you must have 120 accounting credits. Exactly. You heard me correct. 120 accounting credits. But how do we calculate this 120 accounting credit? Now, in India, if we can see, our bachelor degree is for 3 years, which is each year is equal to 30 credits hours. So by default, our bachelor provides us with 90 credits. So here we are having only 90 credits from a bachelor degree. But to be eligible for CPA exam, you need 120. So further 30 credit points is needed. And that is calculated on the basis of your master qualification. So if you are planning for the US CPA, please make sure you have this total 120 credit points. Your bachelor gives you 90 credit and your master gives you 60 credits, which makes you eligible for both CPA exam and CPA license. So the best example for CPA, like I would say, is if anybody is a BCom qualified as well as MCom qualified, or you can like BCom MBA finance, and these days even like CA inters or cost accountant inters are also considered to be eligible for writing the CPA exam. So whenever you're planning to go for it, make sure you are meeting the eligibility requirement. At Uplift Pro Academy, we do go for a free eligibility check. So in case if you need any assistance on the eligibility, we are here. Coming to the CPA evaluation part, I would like to highlight one important note out here. As we all know, the US is having 55 state boards. So each of these state board will be having their own respective eligibility requirement. So before you appear for the CPA exam, you have to go through the evaluation process which are being conducted by NIES, and they will be going through your academic document in order to understand the total accounting credits you hold, confirming you the state board under which you will be writing the exam. As I said, Uplift Pro provides the complete end-to-end guidance on the evaluation part. So if you have any concern regarding the evaluation on the CPA eligibility check, you can get back to us. Our admin team will be providing you complete assistance. Now coming towards the other part of the CPA, that's the exam pattern and what is the passing score to clear the respective paper. So let me tell you, for the CPA is an exam that is comprises of multiple choice questions and task-based simulations. There are no negative marking, and to clear the paper you need to score 75 in each of the paper. So the best part would be, like, since you don't have any negative marking, so you have to make sure that you attempt all the questions correctly. Do not miss any of the questions because that might affect your scoring. So make sure you answer all the questions. And one tip I would like to add on here, that in case CPA is a course which is no doubt it requires time and effort, but it is definitely achievable. So the more you practice, the more strong you make your concepts. So now, still now, I believe you have a clear, brief idea about CPA, CPA eligibility, CPA exam pattern. Now coming to the CPA syllabus. CPA is a paper which comprises of four major concepts, that is FAR, BEC, BEC, regulation and audit. But from January 2024 onwards, BEC, that's Business Environment Concept paper, will no longer be taught. Instead of this, three new core disciplinary subjects have been included. That's business analysis and reporting, which we term it as BAR. We have information system and control, that is ISC. And lastly, we have tax planning and compliances, that's TPC. So out of these three disciplinary paper, you need to select any one, and along with the existing papers of CPA, you will have to go ahead in from 2024 onwards. So those who are planning to take or rather prepare for the CPA exam in this new year, please make sure that when you are selecting out of these three papers, three new core disciplinary paper, select a paper that actually meets your requirement, your interest level. So that will actually make your preparation of CPA more easier. Finally, CPA job opportunities. So this is very much an important concern to all of us. Like, I have spent my time, I have given my effort, I have even cleared the exam. So what's next? What kind of job opportunities can I expect? Well, I don't need to repeat myself. As I said in the beginning of the video, CPA is a course which is globally acclaimed course. It is a chartered accountant course of the US, and there are numerous job opportunities in your hand. Even in fact, in India, talking about India, you mention any of the multinational companies, that can be Deloitte, that can be Ernst and Young, that can be your Infosys, Amazon. These are some of the top notch MNCs who go for the hiring of CPA. And being an international certification, you have a door to the broader companies as well. So CPA is not only recognized in India, but it has a great demand outside India. That can be your Gulf country, that can be your European country. Even there are countries like Australia, New Zealand, Canada, where you can explore along with the US CPA certification. Plus, there are even, the US CPA certification is also having certain memorandum of agreement, MOU, with certain countries like Canada, New Zealand, where you, along with the CPA US certification, you can even reach out to their professional certification without writing any exam. So it is a very recognized and certification that opens a plethora of opportunities for you. So if you are still on the verge of deciding for to go ahead with the US CPA, I personally advise you, now it's high time you should take up this course, and Uplift Pro Academy is here to provide you complete assistance on the US CPA certification. If you have any concern regarding the eligibility, exam pattern, or even taking up about the classes, like how you need to prepare for it, you can reach out to us on the below given details. Get in touch with our CPA experts and start your CPA journey. I wish you all the best, and I hope the information that I have provided helps you to take an informed call. You can always reach out to me on the below given contact details. Wish you all the best, and I hope you become a qualified CPA in this new year. Take care.